I'm just a Canadian boy in an American world looking for some Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Success!
What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to part 2 of Yu-Gi-Oh! Retro Pack. That's right. When I was in Duluth, I got to pick up 5 Walmart boxes of Retro Pack. I love these things. They're worth every fucking penny, and I am excited to open these. I mean, how could you not? I mean, this is what Yu-Gi-Oh! Is to me. All of these old cool retro cards, I love it. And I gotta say, you know, Konami really did a bang up job when it came to the Yu-Gi-Oh! Retro packs. And I gotta say, I'm just loving it. I'm all for it. So let's dig in. Let's open some fucking cards, shall we? Bam! Look at all that. Look at all that. Let's have some fun. Let's do this. Oh, almost forgot to do the 4. Just calling it head of Exodia. Exodia, the Forbidden One. I would love to get that card. Polymerization, Thousand Dragon, Jirai Gumo, Thunder Dragon, Toon World, Flying Kamakari, Molten Destruction, Giant Germ, Messenger of Peace. Oh, that is a sloppy open, man. I could mess up some cards with that. Let's just take my time. All right. Here we go. All right. How's everyone doing tonight? Today, morning, afternoon, whenever you're watching this, how are you? Hope you're doing well. 7 Tools of the Bandit. Harpy Lady. Twin-Headed. Baby Dragon. Black Illusion. Toon Mermaid. Gaia Power. Luminous Spark. Catapult Turtle. I have this one. Jirai Gumo, Harpy Lady, Mask of Darkness, Polymerization, Flying Kamakari, UFO Turtle, Black Illusion Ritual, Shining Angel, Hey Yo, Dark Magician. Very nice. Look at that. Look at that. That's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I love this card. How could you not? And you know what? The centering looks okay too. Flawless. So like I said, it would be cool to get Exodia. I think that's the only piece I need, so fingers crossed. Twin-Headed, Baby Dragon, Jirai Gumo, Harpy Lady, Manga Rairan, Toon Summon Skull, Nimble Mamanga. All right. Fun fact about me is every Christmas I love watching Love Actually. That's my favorite Christmas movie other than A Harold and Kumar 3D Christmas. Shining Angel. Beast Skull Dragon. Oh, look at that. That's a nice looking card. Ooh wee. Have this one already. Does Dark Magician Girl come in this set? I haven't seen one. I haven't seen one yet. I think I'm slowly getting just about all the cards there is to get out of this set, I must say. Baby Dragon, Mahavelo, Twin-Headed, Gravekeeper, Manga Rairan, Gaia Power, Umirika, Nimble Mamanga. Fun fact, Nimble Mamanga? I'm kind of getting tired of this card. There's your fun fact. Gaia the Dragon Champion. Sweet. As always, let's do the 4. There we go. Mask of Darkness, Polymerization, Baby Dragon, Mahavelo, Giant Germ, Gaia Power, Sonic Bird, Giant Rat, Graceful Charity. Let's keep it moving. The show must go on. The show must go on. Oh, let's just... Jeez Louise. I feel like I'm trying to rush through this here. Sorry, guys. There's no rush. There really isn't. I'll take it down a notch. And 4. Here we go. Twin-Headed, Gravekeeper Servant, Heartbeat Lady, Hane, Toon Mermaid, Manga Rairan, Toon Summon Skull, Flying Kamakari, and Sangan. I kind of think this might be the first time I've pulled Sangan out of the retro pack. I know a lot of people seem to like it. Personally, it doesn't do anything for me. That's okay. What do I know? I know nothing. But you know who does know a lot? Frieza's World, Yu-Gi-Oh! Check them out. You know who also seems to know a lot is my buddy Christian. Shout out to you, my friend, for always telling me what's up after you watch my videos. Appreciate it. Black Pendant, Mask of Darkness, Arm Ninja, Flame Swordsman, Giant Trunade, Upstart Goblin, Black Illusion, Heron Zero, and Heartbeat Lady Sisters with a terrible cut. Look at that centering. Not the best, but still a cool card nonetheless. Still got plenty of packs left to go. One, 2, 3, and 4. Polymerization, Thousand Dragon, Jirai, Thunder Dragon, Mystic Tomato, Molten Destruction, Giant Rat, Herazua, and Monster Reborn. Cool. Love it. Love it. I have so many cards that my friend was telling me I should start making a deck, and you know what? One of these days, maybe I will. Maybe I will. It'd be interesting to see what I would come up with. I only ever watch card openings and the anime. It would be interesting to learn the new dynamics of the game for a boomer like me. Thunder Dragon, 7 Tools, Heartbeat Lady, Thunder Dragon, Luminous Spark. And why am I saying it in that voice? Sorry, guys. Molten Destruction, Manga Rairan, Gaia Power, Magician of Faith, Lady DeFay, as Ruxin calls it. Okay. Exodia. Come on. Heart of the cards, be with me. Jirai Gumo, Trap Hole, Black Pendant, Giant Soldier, Mother Grizzly, Senju, Giant Germ, Luminous Spark, Swords of Revealing Light. Oh, yes, I love this one. I love this one. And I really wanted it in a foil too, because I have the legendary decks too. And well, it doesn't come in a foil, so Slowly getting the cards that I want in foils. Go. Oh, apparently I can't count. There we go. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Man-Eater Bug. Gaia. Magic Jammer. Hane. Mother Grizzly. Senju. Giant Germ. Luminous. Penguin Soldier. Boo! Here we go. 7 Tools. Gravekeeper. Elegant Egotist. Arm Ninja. Sonic Bird. Toon Summon Skull. Black Illusion. Mystical Space Typhoon. Barrel Dragon. Now that's a new one. I don't think I've ever pulled this one. Let's take a better look. Look at that. Very nice. Okay. In the anime version, Barrel Dragon, I believe these are actual like pistols, but they changed it for the American version because you know, gotta censor it for the kiddies. And Harpy Lady is actually pretty censored too. If you see the Japanese version to the anime, American anime, it's quite tame. Thunder Dragon, Thousand Dragon, Hane, Mahavelo, Sonic Bird, Toon Summon Skull, Black Illusion, Mystical Space, Heavy Storm. Alright. Seven Tools of the Bandit, Harpy Lady, Twin-Headed, Baby Dragon, Luminous Spark, Molten Destruction, Rising Air Current, Giant Germ, and Ancient Lamp. I kind of think this is the first time I've pulled this one too, now that I think about it. Very nice. Okay. Getting some cards that I've never seen before, so that's a win. Because at this point, it almost feels like I've seen all there is to see in the retro pack. So coming across something new, I'll take it. I'll take it. Jirai Gumo, Harpy Lady, Mask of Darkness, Polymerization, Toon Mermaid, Mystic Tomato, Upstart, Rising Air, and Summon Skull. Look at that. I believe this is my third one, and the cut on this one is pretty bad. Notice how it's a little thick here on the bottom, thick on the side, and pretty short on the these two sides here. So, man, oh man. Still no Exodia. I'm holding out for Exodia, man. Would be nice. Then I can complete the Forbidden one. Jirai, Thunder, 7, Harpy, Toon, Mystic, Upstart, Rising, Swords of Revealing Light. I'll never get sick of seeing this card. I really won't. I love it. Ooh. 3 packs left. Let's do this. Come on. Flame Swordsman, Man-Eater, Harpy, Gazelle, Mystic, Hyrazanryu, Toon Summon Skull, Gaia Power, Solemn Judgment. 2 packs left, and I gotta say nothing favorable so far, so maybe I can pull a banger out of these last 2. But that's just the nature of the game, am I right? You win some, you lose some. You pull some. Yep. Polymerization, Mask of Darkness, Gaia, Flame, Mystic, Herizanryu, Toon Summon Skull, Gaia Power, Harpy Lady Sisters. Got this one already, but the cut on this one looks better. Gotta say. Okay. Final pack. Come on, Exodia. Heart of the cards. Oop, oop. There we go. Okay. Jirai, Man, Arm Ninja, Gazelle, Umirika, Shining Angel, Rising Air, UFO, Messenger of Peace. Well, guys, no Exodia. That's a little disappointing, but I did get, let's do a roll call, quite a few swords, 2 Summon Skulls, Barrel Dragon, Monster Reborn, Sangan, Bee Skull, Dark Magician. No, I only got 1 Summon Skull. Sorry. And a Dark Magician. Dark Magician, that looks pretty damn flawless to me. I can't see anything on here that screams imperfection. But that's it. That's all we got. I traveled to Duluth. I traveled to the United States to get five Retro Pack boxes, and these are the cool cards that I got.